Good afternoon, Greg Schaub from the Live Doppler 15 Weather Center. We've got a couple of snow flurries and showers as another weak front moves through the area. What that's going to do, it's going to reinforce the cold air coming through, and that means that we are going to stay in this pattern for quite a while. We've still got quite a few clouds moving through the area on Wednesday, and it looks like that's going to be the case through Thursday as well. We do look for some sunshine towards the end of the week, but we're also seeing some very gusty winds. Those winds subside overnight, but even with the lighter winds, with those actual temperatures falling overnight, they are going to be giving us wind chills tomorrow morning of anywhere from 18 to 20 below. Take a look at what happens here. Yeah, through about 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, still 16 below for those wind chills. So very, very cold. I wish I could say that it was an improvement from today. Not going to be the case. Highs today going to be into the upper teens. Overnight lows down to 4 below. Windy, cold again tomorrow with a high up to about 11. We'll see cloudy skies on Thursday. 15 are high. Still in the teens Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday. But it looks like there's at least a ray of hope that we start to get temperatures back into the 20s next week. Even by the end of next week, the upper 20s.